today we're going to put contact paper on the rest of our boards, which is, we've already put contact paper on this side, and then we're going to flip it over and we will put this concrete style contact paper on it. Then we also have another smaller board to put these other white and I think this is kind of more like a wood contact paper.
Go.
Okay, so we've finished our project and we've got 4 different backgrounds.
So we started with, this is our first one.
We've got our wood one, and on the back of it, we've got completely white. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe and please ring that bell.